Welcome to another trade of the day here from TraderTV.Live. Of course, Clover Health has been in the news a little bit with the squeeze play moving to the upside a couple of days in a row. It was coming down and showing some signs of weakness. Identified a bit of a bottom and then had some plays off of that. Muted success. But we show you the winners, we show you the losers, and the thought process. That's going to be the key here, guys. I have to start things off by shifting into yesterday's action, and I got a 15-minute chart up for you here so you can see the entire week. And I got highlighted here, this little cluster in the pre-market where you had the start of the breakout. I've got 13.25, 13.35, this little area to the bottom, and then 13.85 on the breakout. You fast forward when this thing comes all the way back from $30 top, and it moves right in. And yesterday, on our live show in the afternoon, we're looking at that bottom here, right off of 13.85. It holds it rather nicely. In the pre-market, we hold that level as well. And you fast forward to what our plan of action is going to be. Now, of course, we like that line in the sand here. And I'm going to show you what happens when you have a little bit of FOMO. About $1 above, it's already made a bounce. I showed you the bounce here in the 15-minute chart. Now there's a consolidation, a buck higher in that same range. It's now a buck up 85 to 15. I'm able to scalp a few winners here. Stay disciplined by taking a tight stop. Why? Because the plan is, if it breaks here, you want to be long off of that 13.85. And do I listen to my own rules? Not really, because we get in off of 14 even here a little bit early on that move. We scalp a little bit off, try to stay disciplined. We do cover when it breaks 13.85, and here's where we get cute. I came in today wanting to be long. The direction I liked in the stock was long on Clover off of this level. I see that 85 break, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, you've got 30, 40 cents, 50 cents or so to that bottom. We can scalp the way we were scalping before, so that's what I start doing. The problem with reversing a trade like this is it can cause you to miss out on a false breakdown. So if I'm flat in this particular situation here, I don't take any of these shorts, all I'm doing is biding my time. Does it extend through that bottom end of the range? Do we take out that 13.25, right? When that doesn't happen here, I'm back to my long thesis. I'm either getting long in front of it, sitting in front of the bid, or I'm letting it consolidate above, take out some highs, or make a higher low. Lots of ways to get back in. That 13.85 on a break as well, and then you get into that big long position. Instead, what you see is making some money short, making some money short, shorting it again and getting out, and then sitting on my hands because I'd gone the other direction from my original thesis. So yes, there are some winning trades in there, but that's a humongous miss, guys. When you have your best ideas, when you have your A-plus setups, a lot of times getting cute, while it can make you a little bit of money, is going to cost you on the big one. This is why I want to show you. It's a perfect example. Great break all the way to 16 at the top, where I start scalping it again. You got to make sure that you go right back in and trade what works for you. I like the 16 break. So I take it. It's a small win there. You don't want to completely get off of the horse, but I was not happy with myself with that move. Yeah, I caught a little bit on AMC on the move to the upside here, but the thesis was long on Clover off of these levels that we had identified, guys. And when you make a plan of action like that, whether you win or lose on the day in the stock is just a part of it. The question is, did you follow your plan? If you're positive and didn't follow your plan, you need to assess why. You can't just look at your P&L at the end of the day and think that the trader's journey and day is done. It is all about structure and following that plan. That's what we bring to you live every single day. Hey, did you guys have a plan of action on AMC or on Clover? Maybe it was on any of the other movers today. Did you follow it? Did you not? Let us know in the comments below. A lot of fun doing these. And of course, best of luck trading from Trader TV Live. See you guys out there.